Hubert Sanders here. Let's take a look at one of my favorite technical analysis tools to find trends easily. So it's really easy, and I'll show you. It looks complicated though. It looks like spaghetti on a chart, because if you've never used it, it's a little confusing. So I'm going to break it down into its simplest parts. So there are four main parts to this chart. Actually, there's five. So number one, what you're looking for is the price action of the chart. And this is a weekly chart of the ES, so the S&P futures. And it's the main thing that everybody looks at. So if the price action of the chart is going up, and if it is above this blue cloud, so this is the cloud, and the technical analysis strategy or indicator that we're using is called Ichimoku Cloud. Don't ask me how to spell it. I'll actually look it up for you here in a second. Cloud Charting Secrets, Ichimoku Cloud. So the first thing you want to know is the price action of whatever you're looking at, is it above the cloud or is it below the cloud? In this instance, it's above the cloud. Now, I'm using a weekly chart because it's going to show the trend a lot better. And then the yellow line here is the turning line. It's the fast-moving average. The purple line here is the standard line. It's the slower-moving average. And then this blue line here is called the lagging line. So if you look at the price action, if it is above the cloud, that's a check. If it's above the yellow and the purple, that's also a check. And if the lagging line is pointing up, then you should go higher. So that's a good example on a weekly chart of the ES. Let's take a look at something that's trending down, which would be bonds. Okay, so here on the bond, when you're looking at the weekly, you do the simple check system again. Is the price action above or below the cloud? In this instance, it's below the cloud. And you also have the lagging line here is below the cloud, so that means it's probably going to go lower. You also have the price action here is below the turning line, that points lower, and it's below the standard line. So that's a really easy way for you to look at charts and figure out exactly where they're going. Now, what you can use now is this is going to be resistance, and if we switch back to the ES that we were looking at ES, you can see when the ES does finally decide to sell off, this is going to be support. So I hope you enjoyed the short video. I'm going to be doing more short videos like this, and I'll break this down piece by piece for you over the next few days and the next few weeks. Good luck. Hope it helps, and I'll see you on the next video.